Do you know many people are having trouble with printers producing faint or blank prints? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check quality. Check your print quality settings through the ink menu on your printer. Print a quality check sheet and clean the print head if any colors are missing. Step 2. Clean head. Initiate a print head cleaning from the ink menu to clear any clogs. Choose to clean all colors or target specific ones if the problem persists. Step 3. Check ink. Ensure you are using genuine Brother ink cartridges and make sure they are correctly and securely installed in your printer. Step 4. Check paper. Verify that your paper is compatible with your printer and correctly set up. Avoid using moist or curled paper to ensure good print quality. Step 5. Special clean. Perform a special cleaning from the ink menu for persistent issues. This uses more ink but can clear stubborn clogs effectively. By following these steps, your Brother printer should be producing clear and vibrant prints once again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.